Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll review our strategy, focusing on market analysis and key growth initiatives for the upcoming quarter.
Our approach to the organizational changes must be handled with clarity. Authority comes from decisive action, not just words.
I'm concerned that technical issues might delay the launch. We need more support.
I hear you. Let's look at the risks and see how we can mitigate them together.
Those are valid points. Based on what I've heard, I believe the best path forward is to focus on the core objectives. The discussion has been noted. We are moving forward with the original plan. Wait. If we prioritize profit over our people, we compromise our integrity. We need a different approach.
Alignment is key. With this team, I'm confident we'll exceed expectations.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a concept that can profoundly impact how you are perceived, both personally and professionally. Have you ever walked into a room and immediately noticed someone who just commanded attention without saying a word? Or listened to a leader speak and every single word felt weighty and significant? That, my friends, is gravitas. And today, we're going to break down what it is, why it is so important, and how you can cultivate more of it in your own life. So, what exactly is gravitas? It is more than just confidence or charisma. Think of it as a deep sense of substance, seriousness, and inner weight. It is the quality that makes people listen to you, trust you, and respect your judgment. It is often associated with wisdom, authority, and integrity. It's not about being loud or boastful. In fact, it often comes with a quiet, powerful presence. People with gravitas don't need to yell to be heard. Their words carry inherent weight. Now, why is gravitas so important? Well, in any leadership role, whether you are leading a team, a company, or even just your family, gravitas is crucial. It inspires trust and confidence in others. When people perceive you as having gravitas, they're more likely to follow your direction, believe in your vision, and feel secure in your decisions. In communication, it ensures your message isn't just heard, but truly understood and taken seriously. It cuts through the noise and adds significance to your contributions. Without it, even brilliant ideas can fall flat. So, how do we cultivate this elusive quality? It's not something you can fake, but it is something you can develop over time. I've identified a few key areas to focus on. First, let's talk about your presence. This isn't just about how you dress, though presenting yourself appropriately certainly helps. It's about your body language, eye contact, and even your posture. Stand tall, make consistent eye contact, and avoid fidgeting. When you are speaking, pause strategically. Don't rush your words. A moment of silence before an important point can add immense impact. Think about slowing down your movements and gestures too. It conveys thoughtfulness rather than frantic energy. Next up is communication. People with gravitas are clear, concise, and intentional with their words. They don't ramble. They think before they speak, and they choose their words carefully to convey their message effectively. They also listen intently. Part of having substance is genuinely understanding others, and you can't do that if you're always waiting for your turn to talk. Practice active listening. Ask clarifying questions, and ensure your contributions are well-reasoned and relevant. Avoid hyperbole or gossip, stick to facts and informed opinions. Another critical component is integrity and competence. Gravitas isn't just about how you seem, it's about who you are. Do you follow through on your commitments? And are your actions consistent with your words? Do you possess genuine knowledge and skill in your area? When you demonstrate reliability, honesty, and a solid understanding of your field, you build a foundation of credibility that is essential for gravitas. Continuously learn and grow, and always strive for excellence in what you do. And finally, emotional intelligence. This is about understanding and managing your own emotions, and recognizing and influencing the emotions of others. People with gravitas remain calm under pressure. They don't let their emotions dictate their responses, especially in challenging situations. They demonstrate empathy, but they also maintain a sense of objective judgment. This emotional stability and wisdom contribute significantly to their perceived substance and authority. Developing gravitas isn't an overnight process. It is a journey of self-awareness, continuous improvement, and conscious practice. But by focusing on your presence, refining your communication, building your integrity and competence, and honing your emotional intelligence, you can absolutely begin to cultivate that powerful, respected quality that is gravitas. What are your thoughts on gravitas? Have you ever encountered someone who truly embodied it? Or perhaps you've been working on developing it yourself? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal development and communication. And make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.